Hello and welcome to Hastings Motorcycle Centre. We are proud to present our Yamaha MT-125. Registered the 4th of April 2023 on a 23 plate with 1,334 miles and presented in Tech Black. This superb example benefits from service history, genuine Yamaha tail tidy, quad-lock wireless phone charging mount, LED indicators and must-have Black Widow exhaust. With its big bike feel and handling, the MT has loads of mid-range grunt and revs out at a whopping 11,000 revolutions per minute, giving you an impressive top end. With ABS, a full LCD easy-to-read screen, gear indicator, and added option to personalize your welcome when you turn the key. The handling is sweet, and gives you the big bike feel as it is closely styled to its impressive bigger brothers, the MT-07 and MT-09. This popular 125 would leave us serviced, where required, with a comprehensive pre-delivery inspection, 12-month MOT, and 3-month warranty for your peace of mind. You also have the option to extend the warranty to 12 or 24 months for additional coverage. We offer nationwide delivery across the UK, as well as a variety of flexible finance options to suit your needs. For more information, don't hesitate to reach out to us on 0142444 4448 or email sales@hastingsmotorcyclecentre.co.uk. Please note there's a small £75 admin fee applicable to all our bikes. Thank you for watching and we look forward to hearing from you soon.